Indic is a visionary industry leader in innovation, engineering, manufacturing, and automation solutions and services. With a lasting commitment to customer satisfaction and products of utmost quality, Indic provides complete engineering services under the same roof. The expertise and experience of our team of engineers lend themselves to advanced product design, hardware and software implementation, testing, and defect-free manufacturing.
Indic is an Indo-Spanish venture basically to cater to the global market for contract electronic manufacturing, having a plants in Bangalore and Barcelona, and shortly we'll have it in US too. Indic provides reduced time to the market, flexibility of revenue to the new market demands, focus on the core technologies.
Indic can help you meet the latest market demands by engineering innovative, value-adding solutions with a reduced time to market. We offer optimized system integration, efficient testing strategy, and order fulfillment services to cater to all the advanced needs of the customer.
Our customer relationships are built on trust and the openness of a mutual partnership. We strive for a win-win strategy, providing a foundation for a sustainable success for all stakeholders, including our customer's customer, the end user, who is the most critical part of the whole gambit.
Indic's state-of-the-art infrastructure and equipment in the manufacturing unit provide you with low-high, mixed-volume manufacturing and real-time monitoring of quality processes. Our continuous improvement activities ensure reduced defects and deliver high-quality products.
Design, develop, deliver advanced technologies. Our confidence in making such a statement comes from our experience in the high-technology electronic service industry.
Indic has proven to be an expert in product engineering, supply chain management, manufacturing, and customer service, providing reliable services and solutions in avionics, automotive, energy, medical, industrial, and IoT sectors. For innovative engineering, automation, and manufacturing services, choose Indic.